How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp in few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app and then head over to the settings. Now go ahead and tap on privacy, and then you will see last seen and online. Tap on it and make sure that you set it to nobody. So then come back and then you will see status. Tap on it and then just tick on only share with, and then don't select anyone. And that's it. Now you will appear offline on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.